Hi guys, thanks very much for buying an Audax. Whether you've bought the Audax Black and Orange or the Audax High Vis, here is one thing you need to know about them. So when you open them up, inside of it, you're going to have a hydration kit. This consists of the hydration bladder, the drinking tube with removable mouthpiece, and it also comes with a packet with these two small O-ring seals in there. So these O-ring seals are a replacement seal for the bottom end of your quick release valve on that side, and also the bottom of the quick release mouthpiece on the opposite side. So when you open up your reservoir kit, be sure not to lose these two O-ring seals because they're going to come in handy whether you wear out any of these seals over the years or whether you need to replace them for any other reason. So please keep a hold of those. Thanks very much, and I'll speak to you soon.